Catching up here with Rob D'Alessandro from Meritus Gas Partners. If NBA Jam was the thing, this man is on fire. The map is filling up quick. How long's it even been, Rob?
Just about 2.5 years, Timmy. Just short of 2.5 years.
It's been a good ride. Seems like a lot of action out there at this point. Why do you think now's the time for some of these distributors that are actually going out and making a move?
Well, I think there's a couple things. I think one is, right, the economy's been really strong, and I think the outlook is relatively uncertain, right? So if you are an older owner looking potentially at retiring in the next handful of years, you're going to want to make that decision now because no one wants to sell their business from a position of weakness, right, or in a trough. So if you have a retirement plan timing in the next couple of years, you might as well take advantage of the time now, know you have certainty with the economy behind you today, and sell off peak earnings. That's what's happening.
That makes total sense. How about, what are some of the key reasons why distributors have gone with Meritus over some of the other acquisition firms?
I think the Meritus model is a little different. It's unique, and it allows a couple things. Primarily allows the owners to stay and run their businesses. We leave the businesses essentially unto themselves. We respect their independence, maintain their brand and legacy, and I think the owners have embraced that. I think also there's our model is conducive to when you have a generational difference between potentially the owners and the operators of the business. So older owners who are seeking liquidity don't want to sell the business out from underneath their children or the next generation. So in many of the companies, especially the Oxark opportunity that we just closed on recently, you had older owners that were able to extract liquidity and retire, and the younger owners were able to remain in the business and continue to operate it, becoming our partners and part of our federation. So it's the model, I think, more than anything that's been compelling to owners that have those type of circumstances.
Perfect. And talk about some of the early wins that you guys have had, what it's meant to the team at Meritus, and even the partners that have signed on. Talk about some of the wins.
Yeah, well, we've been so lucky because the partners that we have, that we've chosen and who've invested in Meritus, are all really upstanding and have terrific reputations in our space. And as a result, they're great referrals for others, right? And Jason Kirby, he'd actually referred to us, a couple of the Meritus partners, before Oxark was ready to talk to us. So we actually had his reference before even discussing a potential partnership with them. But Oxark, really, what a terrific business, right? I mean, one of the top 5 distributors in the country in an incredible market in the Pacific Northwest. They have such terrific capabilities, and we're so very proud to invite them or welcome them into the Meritus Federation. That's really been the crowning jewel of the year this year.
Yep, have to agree. That Oxark was definitely a surprise to a lot of people. It was a big win for Meritus, and I congratulate you on that. Got to keep it going. You guys are doing great, and I know it's a struggle out there. You're on the road a lot, but hang in there, Rob. You're doing a great job, and we thank you for everything that you guys do. Great to see you guys at the events all the time, and looking forward to the future success.
Great. Thanks, Timmy. I appreciate it. Thanks for all your support.